Hello, parents, guardians, students, and whoever else has time to watch this video. My name is Michael Verdi. Um, I am your child or your biology teacher. I'm just going to walk you through the course and treat this like a normal open house and tell you what we would do, what we'll do this year, what we do on a normal day, the best way to contact me. So, first off, about myself. Okay, I am Michael Verdi. I am actually a Mayfield High School graduate. From there, I got my Bachelor of Science in Biology at the Ohio State University. I was a pre-med student fascinated with the human body and helping people get better and learn about, treatment. Well, I became a TA and found that I loved teaching students, and teaching was a great way for me to stay connected to biology and find that keep that spark going where I got to work with young kids and watch them learn. Okay, so after I made a late decision to become a teacher, I taught at Brush High School after Ohio State, Shaw High School, and now here at Mayfield. I believe this is my 10th year at Mayfield High School, and what a year, huh? So just a little more about me. Since starting to teach at Mayfield, I've had 3 kids. They're great. Annabelle, Rose, and James. There's a second grader, a kindergartner, and a little 2-year-old. A little more about me. I'm currently quarantining in my brother's attic. He's in Chicago, so I'm up here with the clothes on my back and protein bars that I found in his pantry. So back to what you'll need. The best way to contact me is mverdi@mayfieldschools.org. I promise I can get back to you within 24 hours. If you have any concerns, comments, questions, compliments, feel free to email them at mverdi@mayfieldschools.org, and I'll get back within 24 hours, okay? So biology has changed a ton since I was in high school, right? So what are we going to learn? Well, some's the same as high school as high school biology back in the early 2000s, okay? And some is different. So what we'll learn: cellular structure and function. How do the cells that make us up work? We'll talk cellular transport. How do I make urine? Energy. Why do I need to eat? We'll talk the molecular structure of DNA and what we do with that DNA. And one of the coolest lessons I think we have the whole year is, why do I look like my brother or my sister, but not so much that it's creepy, right? And how that comes to be, I think, is fascinating. Other things we'll learn are the latest developments in biotechnology. That has changed, in the last couple of years I've been teaching. Biotechnology is crazy. When we get to that unit, I hope your kids will love it. Okay, what's home base? Where should my kid go, and what should they have ready before a lesson? Well, our home base is Schoology. It's where we'll post all the resources. It's where our Zoom link is posted. It is the best place for your child to go to get information, for you to go. I would ask that every time we sign on to a Zoom meeting, they have Schoology ready to go, because that's where I'll pull resources from, and then they can share and look at it with me. Okay. So the next thing, and this is all subject to change, right? I mean, but what's a virtual class going to be like? Well, I believe in chunking up that 90 minutes so that our activity and what they're doing is different, hopefully every 10 minutes. Okay, so typically we'll begin class with a little class meeting. We'll have breakout sessions, because one thing as a parent myself, I want my child to be able to talk with other children. Okay, so make sure you have lots of breakout sessions where kids get to talk with other kids and think together. We can come back, have class meetings. We'll do individual work. We'll ask them, turn your camera off. Because one of the weirdest things with Zoom is having to see yourself. That can be distracting. So I look at these hairs, I look at the wrinkles that weren't there a couple years back. Okay, the gray. What are you going to do? All right, so we're going to turn our camera off at times. I'll be on the Zoom, but I'll have them turn your camera off so you don't have to worry about us watching. Now, when we're in a meeting, we expect them to have their cameras on, right? I mean, it just helps me call out kids and stuff like that. Today we watched a little mini video of lions hunting and explored, like, well, what characteristics of life is exemplified by the dying buffalo. So anyways, that's a typical class. So we're going to finish with the biggest struggle with the virtual teaching is going to be this: keeping your child engaged and interested. I take that as my personal challenge. I think the content is out there. They can find it. how much did they get it from me and of other sources. But I love biology. I'm fascinated by why our armpits stink, why we get pimples, why a caterpillar can shoot its poop 6 feet in the air. There's some species that can. Um, so I see it as my job to keep these kids interested and engaged in what's going on. Um, so that's it from me. Again, the best way to contact me is mverdi@mayfieldschools.org. Please don't hesitate. I can't wait to teach. It's been a long time since I've been able to talk with students, and that's what I love. And it's been even rewarding, even though it's digital. It's been nice to be back in our digital classroom. Hopefully we get to see you in person soon. Hopefully we can meet in person soon. Otherwise, though, guys, stay healthy. Have a great day, and we'll see you. Thank you. Bye.